When I'm going through a well child check, I will ask people, have you had conversations with your child about what to do if they see a gun? Would they know what to do? A lot of times, non-firearm owning parents don't consider that. And those kids won't know what to do if they see a firearm. And they are incredibly at risk for those because they may pick it up and they may play with it because no one's ever talked to them about firearms. The message is guns are not toys. If they see a firearm, don't touch it and to get an adult. Keep it really simple and clean messaging for kids.